In this video, we're going to talk about Spanish sentence structure, but to do that, let's take a look at sentence structure in English first, because I think that will help you kind of understand what it is exactly that we're saying. So let's look at an English sentence. We're going to say, Susana washes the dishes. That's a pretty simple, straightforward sentence. It's got three parts, basically. It has a subject, it has a verb, and it has what's called an object. The object is the thing that's being acted upon. It's a direct object, strictly speaking, but we're just going to call it an object for now. So Susana is our subject. Washes is the verb. And the dishes is the object. English is what's known as a subject-verb-object language, or it uses subject-verb-object sentence structure, and that's abbreviated a lot of times to SVO for subject-verb-object. Fortunately for us, Spanish is also a subject-verb-object sentence structure language, or a language that uses that sentence structure. So that makes it a little bit easier for us. And so let's look at this same sentence in Spanish. Susana washes the dishes. In Spanish, we would say Susana lava los platos. So again, we have a subject at the beginning of our sentence, Susana. Then we have our verb, lava, which means washes, and we have los platos, the dishes. So same word order, subject, verb, object. Now you might be thinking to yourself, yes, of course, I mean, how else would it be? That seems perfectly normal to us because it's what we're used to. But there are lots of languages that are not subject, verb, object languages. Could be subject, object, verb. Could be really just about any combination of those things, although those two are the most common, subject, verb, object, and subject, object, verb. But it could come just about any way possible, and if that were what you were used to, it would seem perfectly normal to you. Now, as we'll see in other videos, Spanish is actually quite a bit more flexible than English in this regard, and so it actually is possible to use different word orders in Spanish. And so it's not always a subject, verb, object language, but generally speaking and in its simplest forms it is. So that's good news for us, makes it a little bit easier.